IKENGA, the god of strength, the god of fortune, the god of wealth, the god of power, the god that represents one's personal chi. IKENGA! Nde1, Kafambu Chomoji, aka Adandibo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty, Brains and Talents. I'm going to take you through series of Igbo gods, and one of them is the IKENGA, the god of power and strength, the god of one's personal achievement, wealth, and the god representing one's chi. Let me tell you a story. According to Igbo cosmology in the olden days, IKENGA is believed to be one of the strongest Igbo gods in the olden days. This god was so useful to the extent that other tribes had to adopt this god. Tribes and places like Edo State, Ishan, Isoko, Uobo, Ijo people adopted this and called their own IKENGA by their own name. IKENGA is such a useful god because it represents one's personal chi, it represents your achievements, and IKENGA has the ability to produce wealth if a man believes. There's something called the man's personal chi. That is your luck in life and that is your destiny. That is the god that sees to it that you achieve your destiny and follow the paths of your destiny. In the olden days, there were a lot of artifacts and beliefs, cultures and traditions in Igbo land that held up to today. The IKENGA is a powerful god. The IKENGA in those days was owned by powerful people, the Indian chiefs, and some powerful Igbo women that have attained some height or have some titles in the society. The IKENGA is a sacred god that the Igbo people keep in one place called their altar, and the name of that altar is called Ihumo. The IKENGA is a god that is highly celebrated to the extent that the Igbo people marked out a day to celebrate the IKENGA. The IKENGA is celebrated annually, and the name of that festival is called the IKENGA Festival. Have you heard of that? The IKENGA is your personal chi. And let me tell you a deep thing about the IKENGA. The IKENGA also functions in different tribes, traditions, and formats. The IKENGA also exists in profession. There is IKENGA in charge of fishing. There's IKENGA in charge of farming. There's IKENGA in charge of blacksmithing, because the Igbo people also had blacksmithing as one of their professions. Other professions like fishing, present in Ijoland, which is one of the primary people that adopted the IKENGA. The IKENGA is powerful. The IKENGA is your personal chi. Let me tell you, because of your personal chi, a lot of things are not meant to happen to some people because their IKENGA is very strong. There are facts and a lot of things that can destroy your IKENGA or personal chi. The next video, I will tell you more about the things that can destroy or weaken your personal chi, your IKENGA. IKENGA, the god of strength. IKENGA! IKENGA, the god of strength, protection, fortune, power, your chi.